Food is a basic requirement of all living organisms. We eat different types of vegetables, fruits, grains, pulses, and cereals. The food we eat consists of different components. These components are required for proper growth and healthy body functions. These are called nutrients. The process by which we obtain food and utilize it for growth and development is called nutrition. Our food mainly contain 5 main kinds of nutrient: fats, carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals. Other than these 5, food also contain water and dietary fiber, also called roughage. The food we normally eat in a day is our diet. Our body needs all the nutrients in right quantities. These nutrients are required for growth and maintenance of our body. The diet should also contain a good amount of dietary fibers and water. Such a diet is called a balanced diet. Balanced diet must include food items from the following categories: milk, meat, grain, fruits and vegetables. Different food components are grouped into 3 classes: energy giving food, body building food, and protective food. Carbohydrates' main function is to provide energy to our body. These are found in our food in the form of starch and sugar. To test the presence of starch in any food item, add 2-3 drops of dilute iodine solution on it. If iodine changes its color to blue-black, it indicates that the food item contains starch. Grains such as rice, wheat, peas, beans, sugarcane, sugar beet, many fruits like banana, mango, melons and vegetables are good source of carbohydrate. Fats act as a fuel in our body. They provide more energy than carbohydrates. To check the presence of fat in any food item, take a small quantity of it and wrap it in a piece of paper. Now crush it and unfold the paper. If you see an oily patch on the piece of paper, it indicates the presence of fat in the food item. Butter, ghee, meat, fish, nuts, coconut oil, mustard oil, soybean oil are some good sources of fat. Proteins are required for growth and maintenance of our body. They are part of our blood and required for proper functioning of it. To check the presence of protein in any food item, take a small quantity of it. If it is solid, mash it and put it in a clean test tube. Add 10 drops of water and shake it well. Then add 2 drops of copper sulfate solution and 10 drops of caustic soda solution to the test tube. Shake it well and let it stand for few minutes. If the color changes to violet, it indicates the presence of protein in the food item. Foods containing protein are called body building food. Fish, eggs, milk, meat, nuts, pulses are some good source of protein. Vitamins are required in very small quantity by our body. Vitamins help our body in fighting against diseases. They also help in keeping our bones, eyes, teeth and gums healthy. Vitamins are of different kinds known by different names. These are vitamin A, vitamin B complex, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E and K. Vitamin A helps to keep our eyes and skin healthy, while vitamin B complex helps in the normal functioning of nerves and brain. Vitamin C helps our body to fight against diseases and also keeps our teeth and gums healthy. Vitamin D helps to keep our bones healthy. Vitamin E helps to boost the immune system, while vitamin K helps in blood clotting. Carrot, sweet potato, pumpkin, dairy product, spinach are rich in vitamin A. Meat, fish, milk, eggs, whole grains are rich in vitamin B. Papaya, capsicum, tomato, strawberries and citrus fruits are rich in vitamin C. Dairy products, eggs, fish are rich in vitamin D. Almonds, egg yolk, spinach, capsicum, turnip, whole grain, whole wheat are rich in vitamin E. Turnip, spinach, cabbage, egg, meat are rich in vitamin K. Minerals are required in small quantities in our diet. Each one is essential for proper growth of body and to maintain good health. Some important minerals required for our body are sodium, potassium, calcium, zinc, iron, phosphorus, magnesium, etc. Green leafy vegetables, eggs, nuts, legumes are rich in iron. Dairy products, fish, nuts, beans are good source of phosphorus. Dairy products, prunes, cranberry, fish, salt, eggs are rich in iodine. Dairy products, green leafy vegetables, eggs are rich in calcium. Dietary fibers is that portion of our food which do not provide any nutrient to our body. It add bulk to the food and help in easy movement of the food along with the digestive system. Whole grains, fruits, vegetables are rich in roughage. Around 70% of our body weight is water. We need water to transport substance inside our body. It helps our body to absorb nutrients from the food and regulate our body temperature. We get water not only from the liquid we drink but also from the food we eat. Eating right kind of food is not enough. It should also be cooked properly to avoid the loss of nutrients. Overheating and overcooking destroy nutrients and add calories at times. Vitamin C destroyed due to overheating. Washing of rice and pulses repeatedly removes nutrients. Use of excess water is not desirable. If vegetables and fruits are washed after peeling, it may result in the loss of certain vitamins. So, we should wash them before cutting or peeling.
Always eat balanced diet. Stay healthy. Happy learning. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.